Coach Chot, it was still in the year 2000 that TNT started with a 0-3 record. Now navigating through the different emotions that come into play in getting your first victory, is it a case of finding relief that you finally got your first win? Or were you just more satisfied with the way Calvin and the rest of the Tropang 5G played their hearts out today?
Obviously, there's relief to finally get the W, but it was just it was a matter of us taking a close look at ourselves, just some real brutal reflection. And before the game, I told the players maybe we have it all wrong. Maybe we were trying to find the old TNT game. We were talking about why we can't do this, why we can't do that in our first 3 games. Until we realized that we can't go back to the old TNT game because this is a vastly different team. Without Jason and without Ronde, this is a very different team. So I told the players before the game, let's play our game with the players in this room, with who we have. And I think that simple realization worked wonders with the way the players played tonight, their effort and their fight. I just told the players, let's write our own story. Let's not write a story from the past or whatever. Let's write our own story, and hopefully this is the first step, the first chapter in that story.